Hey guys, Savvy Tech Girl here. Welcome back to the channel. Over the next few videos, we are going to be looking at Windows 10 and computer basics. So these videos are intended for people that are either new to computing or are using a computer on a daily basis and just don't feel comfortable that they know enough about them and want to have some more background so they feel like when they're using them, they know what they're doing. In this course, we are going to be talking about what an operating system is. I'm going to give you a quick outline of that right now. An operating system is the software, the program that comes pre-installed on your computer that works everything, that talks to your printers, talks to your phone when you plug it in, talks to your monitor and your keyboard and your mouse. That is, in a nutshell, very quickly what an operating system is. So it's the main brains of the computer to be able to work with that visual interaction. Okay, so we have a few examples of operating systems, and Windows 10 is one of them. We also had Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. And so in the personal computer, the PC world, Windows, Microsoft Windows, is the main operating system you will find pre-installed on a computer when you buy it in a store. Another example on a Mac would be OS X. Mac operating systems they're updated on a regular basis. Their names change on a regular basis. You might hear words like Maverick mentioned, but OS X is an example that you would see or hear when we're talking about a Mac. Again, does the same thing. You turn your computer on and it interacts with your printers and your speakers and your keyboards and your mouse and your monitor and makes everything work. There's also an operating system called Linux. Linux is a free operating system. Developers work very hard to make this available for free. In most cases, you wouldn't purchase a computer running Linux at a store. However, Linux can be installed on any computer. I will do videos on that too at a later date. We're going to be talking about what an app or a program, so those two words can be used interchangeably, what they are. I think a lot of people are familiar with the word app, which is short for application. Most people have a tablet, an iPad, or a smartphone, and primarily when you have a device like that, you would put an app on it. You would either go to the App Store, the Google Play Store, and you would download an application for things like checking the weather, checking your emails, maybe an online purchasing program, Amazon, eBay, maybe something to track your mileage. Those are all apps or programs. So during this course, I will use those words interchangeably. For the most part, I'm going to use the word app or application just to keep things simple, but just know that those two words mean the same thing, and they are programs that are installed on your computer to give you the ability to easily access information. So the Weather Network app, for example. And the other thing we're going to cover at the beginning of our course is icons or shortcuts, what they are and what they do. We're going to add them to our desktop. We'll talk about where to find them, and just very basic computer terms, terminology that will help you get around your system better. And finally, we're going to talk about the desktop. What is the desktop? How do we use the desktop? And what parts of the desktop are they? So those are the basic things we're going to talk about in the beginning of this course. As the course progresses, we will go into control panels. We will show you how to change your background images. We will show you how to connect to Wi-Fi. So it will be a detailed course, but we will do them in short videos, probably 5 to 10 minutes maximum, to make it easier for your learning, and they will be posted on a regular basis. So thanks, guys. That's the beginning of our course. I just wanted to give you an outline and follow along with my next videos to follow the course. If you have any questions, something you would like to see in this course, please email me savvytechgirl@gmail.com and I will include it for you. Again, if you are looking to get a more advanced or intermediate lessons for computing, this course is not going to be for you. This is for the very beginner or the daily user that isn't feeling comfortable knowing enough about what they're doing. Okay, thanks guys. Let's follow along.